Hi guys, today we will show you how to do a big mission. So we will start with the drone, we will fly a part of the mission, then we will land, replace the battery and then show you how to set it in the app so that you continue from where you left off. So the mission is already planned, we will now upload it to the drone. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, the mission has done uploading. Let's start the drone. And it's off. So now we will let it fly for a while to drain the battery a little bit. Okay, we have now drained a little bit of battery. There's still 60% left, but what I will do now, I will just cancel the mission and let the drone return to its launch point. Great, that's done. The drone is returning to land. So we are already connected to the drone. We know because we can see the full battery at 99%. Now we have 5, 7, 8, 13. Great. So the GPS is re-enabled. Now we can start the mission again. So all we have to do here now is press play. So now the app asks us whether we want to start from the beginning, that's the reset option, or if we want to continue from where we left off. We will select continue. So the mission is again being uploaded to the drone. We are ready. Start the mission. Go. So now, as you would expect, it will first go onto the altitude, then it will continue from where it left off. So this is basically it. Easy, right?